Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Coffee Mama here. So today I decided to make some lantern made from scratch. So ginagawa to, actually I used to do this when I was in Philippines back home during our childhood. So basta Christmas need ka magdala ng lantern sa school. So since mahirap lang kami at hindi kami maka-afford na bumili sa tindahan, so itong ginagawa ng mama ko. So we need anong tawag to sa English, sa Bisaya to alambre. So gawin lang natin ng bilog, and then lagyan natin to ng plastic bags or any plastics that you like to put in. So let's get started. So today ang gagamitin ko is mga plastic bag na from M&S dito sa UK. So ang gagawin natin is we will divide it into equal parts. Tama lang ilagay dito. So I'll show you how later. So let's cut this plastic bag first. Hi monkey. Where are you going, monkey?
Just wanted to be vlogging with you.
Vlogging with me?
Yeah, I want to be watching you.
Okay.
What? I'm cutting those.
I'm gonna use these bags to make a nice lantern, Christmas lantern. So, may nakat na tayo ng plastic bags. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ilagay natin ganito hanggang mapuno to siya. At makita natin kung bakit matawag itong lantern. Maganda kung nakapitay ito siya habang nilagay natin yung natin. Para mas mabilis ang natin.
Actually, zombie kisses. No, just joking. And last of all, zombie kiss.
Thank you. Thank you for the kiss.
Well,
Kiss all my parts of my face.
oh.
Without that zombie thingy.
Okay, I'll kiss you.
What?
Mama, kiss me more for me. Again? Oh.
Silang tag-kiss, ani? Kamahuman. Magaling kiss. So it's almost done. So I don't like this, so I decided to remove this the black thing. So let's see once it's like after this. Charan! Wala pa yung ikog. Need some ikog. Yeah? So let's make some tail, shall we? Just all the scratch. Ta-da! Our tail. I put some tail here. Wow, pretty pink. Pink Christmas carol. Ano? Christmas parole. So what do you think, guys?
Yeah, nice.
Well, the tail is so short.
Nice.
I think I need to put more tail on it.
No, it's fine.
I'm from Northamptonshire. What about yourself?
Thank you for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and most of all, ping the bell notification button to keep updated of all my videos.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Merry Christmas to all, and wishing you a very happy and a prosperous new year.
Yeah.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Greetings from our family to
Channel.
yours.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.